Welcome back, guys. Continuation of the cytokine portion. Cytokine belong to four structural families. Once the genes encoding various cytokines had been cloned, sufficient quantities of purified preparations become available for detailed body studies on their structure and function. So cytokines generally have a molecular mass of less than 30 kilodalton. Structural studies have shown that the cytokines share a similar polypeptide fold with four alpha helical regions A to D, in which the first and second helices and the third and fourth helices run roughly parallel to one another and are connected by loops. So cytokines have numerous biological functions which will be dealt after looking into this picture. Okay. Interaction of antigen with macrophages and the subsequent activation of resting Th cell leads to release of numerous cytokines, which are represented with the help of these blue arrows, generating a complex network of interacting cells in the immune response. So let's look at this picture. Inflammation, macrophage, adaptive immunity, cytokine promotion of macrophage activation, resting Th cell, cytokine promotion of Th cell differentiation, hematopoiesis, and cytokine promotion of activation, differentiation, proliferation or cell death of T cells, B cells, macrophages, dendritic cells, NK cells, and other leukocytes. Okay. Inflammation, adaptive immunity, hematopoiesis, cytokine promotion of Th cell differentiation, cytokine promotion of macrophage activation, resting Th cell, cytokine promotion of activation, differentiation, proliferation or cell death of T cells, B cells, macrophage, dendritic cells, NK cells, and other leukocytes. Okay, so let's move on to next topic called the biological functions. Although a variety of cells can secrete cytokines, the two principal producers are the Th cells and the macrophage. Cytokines released from these two cell types activate an entire network of interacting cells. Among the numerous physiologic responses that require cytokine involvement are development of cellular and humoral immune responses, induction of inflammatory response, regulation of hematopoiesis, control of cellular proliferation and differentiation, and the healing of wounds. Although the immune response to a specific antigen may include the production of cytokines, it is important to remember that cytokines act in an antigen non-specific manner. That is, they affect whatever cell they encounter that their appropriate receptors and are in a physiological state that allows them to respond. Although the immune response to a specific antigen may include the production of cytokines, it is important to remember that cytokines act in an antigen non-specific manner. That is, they affect whatever cells they encounter that bear appropriate receptors and are in a physiological state that allows them to respond. So cytokines are involved in a staggeringly broad array of biological activities, including innate immunity, adaptive immunity, inflammation, and hematopoiesis. Altogether, the total number of proteins with cytokine activity easily exceeds 100, and research continues to uncover new ones. Here we could see a picture which depicts functional groups of selected cytokines. Some cytokines of innate immunity. Interleukin 1, IL-1, monocytes, macrophages, endothelial cells, and epithelial cells secrete them.